Out of these 17, 3 are teachers who were in Usonga before. The other 14 are teachers who have been drawn from within the region and 1 from outside the region. Teachers had already reported to the school, and together with the teachers on the BOM, a lot of activities going on, curriculum implementation is going on, and we will continue visiting the school so that we provide support, because as new teachers in that institutions, they may require to be guided, to be orientated, so that they are able to get their footing.
All the 70 teachers who are withdrawn from the school, and that now learning is going on. We have agreed that the security of teachers is actually paramount. One of the recommendations that were made was that the school needs to have a strong fence in the school, because currently the school is not fenced. Then we have also recommended that there should be minimum activities by the politicians in our schools, so that learning cannot actually be interfered with. We have also agreed that the board of management will be able to meet with the new teachers who have been posted to the school, so that they can be actually welcome to the school and actually orientated. We will work together with the member of parliament to sensitize the parents through parents meeting.
The school actually is back to its normal operation. We have received our teachers, and the school board of management has been in charge of the schools since the time the principal left. Though difficult as it has been, we have been able to put the school back to its normal operation. Otherwise, we want to also take this opportunity to convey this information to our coming teachers. This is a school that has been very peaceful, and whatever happened, it was less to our expectation, and we want to give an assurance the fact that the school is back in operation, and the teachers' safety, which has been an issue within the press, has been addressed by both the board of management, the local community, and the sub-county security team.